What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to go over another trade recap. And guys, can you guess? Yes, another winner, another 100-point winner on Nasdaq in a day that, if we look now, I kind of anticipated this on my Twitter. So if you go to my Twitter, make sure, if you're not following my Twitter, go to my Twitter. I said here I did not expect what is it? I said right here, do not expect anything too interesting tomorrow, including red folder news. So I even before the red folder news, we had a 38 folder news. Like, look at that. Did not do anything. I didn't really expect today to be a day that was going to give it a lot of opportunities. So I was just looking for one solid scalp I can take, and I was able to find it. Why did I take this trade? This was the old trade. My main TP was right here, which is the previous day closing price. This is a yellow dotted line. But then I looked also for 100 point on the runners, which we did end up getting before then bouncing up again, so on and so forth. So first reason on the trade was, let's remove everything that we usually do. And I'll talk about one specific thing that a lot of people got cooked on that I saw today on social media in general. A lot of people tried along what I ended up shorting. I'll also talk about that. So on the daily, why did I think it was going to be choppy? We've had some big days. Yesterday, big huge day. Today we're kind of like, we had this strong downtrend. So unless there's going to be something kind of crazy, not crazy, but like something that like really like just going to just straight on up moon off the news, we're just going to go sideways because, you know, to break out this downtrend, you're going to need a big strong candle. And it was not the case. 8:30 news happened. It was pretty flat. I think we'll see some more selling pressure probably next week, but until then we'll stay flat, slightly up, maybe slightly down. So that was the whole idea. Then we saw the pre-market. We did actually have a decent pump here, but then we start kind of reversing down, and every time we popped, we would get faded. So kind of building intraday downtrend with 8:30 news as well. So again, we're trading near this higher time frame trend line, which means overall sellers should be somewhat aggressive. So, you know, it makes sense to potentially look for some sells if the setup shows itself. Jump on, 9:30 opens up. As you can see, kind of like straight off a little bit of a sell-off here. And we even took out the 8:30, the 8 a.m. low, which also coincided with the 8:30 lows. So this is where people were going wrong, right? So that happened. And a lot of people were also longing because we inversed this fair value up here. There's 1 minute IBFGs. Comment down below if you took this long. And it instantly got cooked. Oh, what the hell happened here? Come on, come back. I'm like, what the hell's happening? So a lot of people I saw took this long because there was a 1 minute IBFG. And, you know, they're like, okay, we took out 8:30 lows. Now that we did that, we can just kind of like play back up, right? Well, the answer was it's not how that works. You have to look at a larger time frame. And another reason like that, also people took that, we also had a bullish SMT here. You can see off of these lows right here. Let's go right here. When price was dropping and making new lows on NQ, yes, look at that. This is your lows right here that got respected. So you had a bullish SMT. But again, I did not feel confident. I said the only way I would feel confident is if ES actually strongly breaks the new high, which would be 9:30 open, or really NQ close above the 5 minute fair value gap, guys. Look how big this 5 minute candle is. It's really dangerous to just short too long into it. Even if maybe it'll work, it's extremely dangerous. And when you're hyper focused on the 1 minute, that's why you get cooked. While I had shorted, you longed. Here, this 5 minute fair value gap, the halfway point is there. You fib out the very top, the opening, to that recent low that formed the fair value gap. GP in there, that's your entry point. I should have entered right off the top. I did not. I actually entered the closure of the candle, which was kind of unfortunate. I meant to enter right off the top. You know, it is what it is. Sometimes you take a little longer. So it was about a 20 to 25 point stop loss. Targeted those lows for 100 points. Right here, and this was the overall full trade. Took a TP near these lows. Then most off at this low right here, and then lastly the 100 point. You know, for the memes, the 100 points to just say you call 100 points. That was the trade. Also, when we find this rejection here, what do we see here? ES starting to turn over. Right, this is a 1 minute. Let's go to the 5. Look at ES on this 5 minute. starting to turn over, right? When NQ tried to pump, yes, turned over. If this was truly bullish, this 5 minute would have been bullish and pushed above it. This is the main difference, guys. When you are looking for a pattern, like give me a step. Like I get this question all the time. It's like such a foolish question. It's like all the rookies ask this question. Give me a step-by-step guide on how to enter, when to enter. This is why if you follow a step-by-step mechanical system, it does not work. There's nobody out there that makes money trading it. They're lying to you if they say they are. They're just trying to sell you something. You need to actually understand the markets, and unless you understand the markets, this what I just explained to you, you could not pick it up. You can only pick this up if you actually understand the concepts that you're trading and why they work, why they don't work, and where's the red flags. Like where's the red? Why, if this is truly bullish, like you think it might be, and you took that 1 minute virgin, why is yes not doing what's it doing, right? Now I'm not saying you gotta be 100% correct. You're not gonna be 100% correct. There's no system that's 100% correct. But just explain to you guys how I personally trade it, how I look at the market. So this was another day that, guys, 15 minutes I was done. Like we literally, it was 9:42. We were done by 9:50. Like this is so 20-minute work day, 18-minute work day. I think it was exactly. It was beautiful. This is what trading is about. They're like, Antonio, why don't you trade all day? It's like, I don't want to. If I want to trade all day, I got gone a regular job. So if you're enjoying the group, the link is down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I have a ton of videos. I have a crazy video coming out next Monday. Story about me, my life. So you want to turn on that bell notification so you get alerted when I'm posting. Make sure you like. Let me know how you did in the comments down below, how you did with your trades. And I'll see you guys tomorrow's Friday. You know what it is. Peace out.